Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can copy a group link in WhatsApp. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, all of your recent chats will be displayed on your screen. Simply access the target group from this list. After you are inside the group, tap on the top title bar and the group settings will appear. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on the Invite to Group Link button. A list of options will then appear in front of you. Now you just need to tap on the Copy Link button and share it with the people you want. So that's basically how you can copy a group link in WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.